Did you know chocolate could leave a stain? I had no idea. However, I just figured out how to remove that stain using only natural ingredients. Join me and I will teach you how. To get started, the items you will need are a plastic knife and liquid laundry detergent. To begin, remove the excess chocolate from your garment using the plastic knife, or you can also use your finger. Be careful while scraping because you don't want to damage the fibers in your fabric. Before you start, if the chocolate is liquid, make sure to dab the area with some paper towels just to ensure that you get out all the excess moisture that you can. Now, carefully add some liquid laundry detergent to the stain and let it sit for at least 10 minutes, maybe 15 depending on how bad the stain is. Then I want you to soak your clothes in a sink full of cold soapy water for an additional 15 minutes. At this point, when you pull your clothes out of the soapy water, the chocolate should be completely gone. If it isn't, simply repeat the steps above until it is. Please share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel for daily DIY cleaning and organization videos. And also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, and I will see you next time.